it is a wash day and your hair has been in this condition, dirty, tangled, dry, what would you do? Would you just jump into the shower to wash the hair, or would you take active measures to make sure that you do not lose a lot of hair while washing? For me, I'll first of all do a pre-poo using a detangler, water and oil. And please do not be like me. Always remember to spray water on your hair first before anything. So here I'll just divide my hair into two. I love working in sections so that it will not become overwhelming. So after separating it, I'll now focus on one side. So here I'm just spraying water on the hair. I'll make sure I saturate the hair with water because I want the hair to be very soft. I do not want my hair to break. So after that, I'll now divide the hair into small sections. So I'll be separating my hair into 8 sections, 4 on each side. So this is going to make the work very easy for me. So this is the front part. I'll be dividing this into 2. So because I do not want the other hair to get in the way, I'll just look for a clip and pin it in place. Then for each section, I'll spray it with water again. After that, I'll just be using my fingers to detangle it, fluff it, just make sure that it is not that tangled. Then I'll now go in with my detangler. You can see how soft my hair is right now. All the tangles are gone. After that, I go in with my Jamaican Black Castor Oil before going in with a comb. Always remember to start from the ends. If you're combing, you can be using a detangling brush. Always start from your ends to the roots. Do not rush to the roots if you do not want to lose your hair. So after that, I'm going to twist the hair, twist it and keep it in place. Then I'll repeat the same process until I'm done with the whole hair. So ladies, I want you guys to be intentional about your hair. You have to be very, very intentional if you want your hair to grow. Forget about buying expensive products or using things that will help grow your hair. Yes, you can go ahead and be using things that will grow your hair. But if you don't take care of your hair, if you're not intentional about the growth or the health of your hair, you end up not seeing the results of the product you're using. So it is important for you to put into practice all these healthy hair practices than investing in buying products to grow hair. I'm not talking about buying shampoo or conditioner. Yes, that one is very important. You have to. I'm talking about buying products that are specifically to grow your hair overnight. So there is no need for that. Just be doing the right thing and watch your hair bloom. Your hair can grow. I'm sure for the ladies that has been with me since last year, I started this channel. I started making videos on natural hair. I'm sure you've seen the growth on my hair. I am very intentional about things like this, and I believe that in the long run, it's going to help me a lot. I'm seeing the progress already. My hair has grown. It is so obvious. People are telling me your hair has grown. Yes. Don't allow somebody to come and tell you they grew their hair in 6 months. No. There's no magic to it. Just do the right thing. Take care of your hair and watch it flourish. In case you're wondering, so how am I going to wash the hair? How is she going to wash the hair after doing all this? Yes, I'm going to wash it in this twist. Yes, I'll take down each section as I'm washing. After applying the shampoo all over my hair, then I'll take down each section. I'll use my fingers to wash my scalp very well. I'll also use a scalp massager to wash the hair in sections. So I wash it in sections. Depending on the length of your hair, you can divide it into 4 to be faster and easier. But my hair is still on the short side, so I won't be able to divide it into 4. So 8 is okay for me at the moment. You can divide your hair into 6, into 4, depending on your hair length. I forgot to mention that I'll be wearing a shower cap for at least 20 minutes when I'm done with everything. So I'll not just rush under the shower to wash the hair. No, I have to make sure that my hair gets the benefits of the product I applied on the hair. So that is why I have to wait. And the shower cap will help in producing a little bit of heat that will help my low porosity hair to absorb the product. Here I am done with the whole hair. So I just did 8 twists. 8. Just 8. And this is all the hair I lost. So I'll be using Miel Organics for my wash day. Their shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask. I am done washing the hair and I have conditioned the hair. I have used my leave-in, and as you can see, my hair is so soft. This is all I have lost after washing. So you can imagine if I did not separate my hair before washing, I would have lost a lot of hair. So you can add this to the little one I lost during the sale, and you'll see that the hair I lost is very little. My goal is for me to lose just a little hair or no hair at all during my wash day. So for now, I am happy with the progress. With this, I will be able to retain length. So if you want to retain length, this is what you do. Prep your hair before washing, and you see that you're going to lose just a little bit of hair or nothing at all. And this is what is going to help you to retain length. Forget about all those products. Buy this, put this, it will grow your hair. Yes, it may work, it may work. But if you don't work hard to retain the growth, you end up seeing nothing. So using all those things is not enough. Taking care of your hair, making sure that you retain the length is also very important. So I'll go ahead and style the hair. Please watch my next video to see my wash day hairstyle. I hope to see you there. See you in my next video. Bye.